Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Gurukulam. If you have not subscribed dearly, please subscribe, and also you like this video and share with your friends and relatives. In this episode, we are going to see the meaning of the first sloka in the second Dashakam, in the Narayaneeyam. Second Dashakam, it is called the Bhagavat Saundaryam. It describes about the appearance of the Lord Guruvayurappan, the Narayanan. See, I told you in the previous Dashakam itself that the Narayanan is appearing before the Narayana Bhattatri, and then he is getting approval from the Narayanan itself, that Lord Guruvayurappan itself, for every sloka he has written. So he is appearing before him and he is seeing the beauty of the Narayanan and writing this sloka. So he is describing how he is describing about this sloka. He is starting with the face. So all the gods, when you see, it is covered with it has the crown. So he is starting with the crown. How the beauty of the crown he is telling. See, he is comparing with the brightness of the sun. You know how bright the sun is, and it is more brighter than the sun. That crown is more brighter than the sun. So then he comes to the forehead. So the crown is over. Then he is looking at the forehead. I am showing the picture besides me. You can see with that each and every description of the Narayanan. So he is seeing the forehead and he is seeing the tilakam. That is it is how it is the tilakam is. It is straight up and upright. So because of that, the forehead is also shining. So crown is over, the forehead is over, then comes the eyes. See, the eyes is filled with so kind for the devotees. So he is so fond of his devotees. So eyes are filled with so kindness. And then comes the eyes over, then the nose. He is seeing the nose and says, it's so beautiful. And then the mouth. So this crown is over, forehead is over, the eyes are over, nose is over, then the mouth. Mouth, he is telling, his smile is so beautiful. See, then he goes to the ears. So you can see the god, it will have the kundalam, that is the pendant of the god. It is the Narayanan or Guruvayurappan is wearing the pendant in the ears. It is of the shape of the fish. So what is the special in that? The thing is, it is so bright, like crown. The light is reflecting on the chins. So chin is also shining because of the pendant in the ears. Then comes the neck. Lord Guruvayurappan is wearing a necklace made up of the rare the gem, which is called the kaustubam. I will show you in the picture how the kaustubam will be. So that made up of that necklace, he is wearing the jewels. Then he comes to the chest. In the chest, the Lord Guruvayurappan is wearing the Vanamala. What is that Vanamala? I will describe about this in the description. See the word by line description. I will tell you the Vanamala. What is Vanamala? So he is wearing Vanamala and the pearl mala, and then this harams, jewels, costly jewels made up of golds and other things. So he's shining, the Lord Guruvayurappan is shining, and the Narayana Bhattatri is so blessed to see the Soundaryam of the Narayanan, and he says, I meditate with this form. So Lord Guruvayurappa, I am meditating on you, I am surrendering totally on you. That is what the sloka says. Now let us see the line by line meaning. Surya Spardi Kreedam, that is the first line. You know what is Suryan? That is sun. What is Kiridam? We are telling, I asked you to tell Kreedam. Kreedam is the crown. So now they correlate the sun and the crown. The sun is shining so beautifully. What Lord Guruvayurappan Narayanan is wearing is more shineful than the sun's brightness. That is what he says in this line. Next, Urdhva Tilakam Prodbasi Palantaram. So, in this line, Tilakam is straight upright in the forehead. It is also, the forehead is shining because of the tilak. That is what he says in this line. You can understand from the word tilak. Okay. What is that tilakam? Urdhva Tilakam. That is what the tilak. Then comes Karunyat Kula Netram. Netram, what is the meaning? In Sanskrit, Netram means eyes. So, that eyes are so kindful. That is what the meaning for this line. Then in the next line, the Karunyat Kula Netram Matra Hasitollasam. So, Karunyat Kula Netram we have seen. Artra Hasitollasam, you please separate it like Artra plus Hasita plus Ullasam. So, in this is telling about the smile. It is very kind to the devotees. The smile is so kind to the devotees. That is what the meaning for this line. Then Sunasa Putam. Now the eye is over, the smile is over, then comes the nose. Sunasa Putam means the beautiful nose. That's all. And then Gandotyan Makarapa Kundalayugam. In this meaning you can understand what are the things you can understand from this line. Kundalam. What is that? Makaraba Kundalayugam. Kundalam is the pendant wearing in the ears. So, how it is looking like? It is shining. That Kundalam is shining. Because of this shine, his cheeks are shining. That is what the meaning from this line. Then you can see Kandochvalat Kaustubam. So that Kaustubam is a gem. So that the mala made up of the Kaustuba gem, that mala that Narayanan is wearing. I am showing the sample of the Kaustubam. You can imagine how it will be to have the mala of this Kaustubam. Okay. That is what this Kaustubam meaning. Kandochvalat Kaustubam. Then comes Tvatrubam. Tvatrubam means Rupam means your appearance. Rupam is shape. Shape is called the Rupam. So, Vanamalya Hara Patala. Here, Vanamalyam, Haram, then Patalam, then Srivatsam. All these things he is wearing in the chest. So, what is this Vanamalyam? Vanam means the forest. Malyam means the flowers and the leaves. How the flowers and leaves, which has got the good fragrance. So, what are all the good fragrance flowers and the leaves? See, you can take it as the tulasi, for example. Tulasi malai, that tulasi patram, the Narayanan likes it very much. So, the mala made up of the fragrance filled flowers and then the patrams like tulasi and other things. That is called Vanamalya. I am showing you in the picture also. You can see this. Okay. That mala he is wearing. Then haram. Haram means the jewelry he is wearing. It is also a kind of jewelry made up of gold. Then patalam. This what is this? The pearl necklace. That is also he is wearing in the chest. Then Srivatsam. What is this Srivatsam? Srivatsam. Sri means what? I told you in the first Dashakam, in the 10th sloka, Anga Sanga Sata Srihi. What is that meaning? I told you. See, Srihi means Mahalakshmi. So this Mahalakshmi is residing on the chest of the Lord Narayanan always. That is the place of her residence. So she is staying here always with Narayanan. So that Srivatsam is also here because of the Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi's place. She is there. That is also showing in the chest. So these are all what the Narayanan is wearing. So this kind of the appearance which is a very special thing which for Narayana Bhattatri is Narayanan is showing. So he is surrendering to him totally. So that is what this sloka describes about. So I hope I have given you some outline about this meaning for this sloka. In the next episode, let us see the second sloka in the second Dashakam, how to chant. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, Gurukulam. Thank you. Bye-bye.